Hey everyone, I am here today to do a color focus for you. I'm going to focus today on Noriko's Ice Mocha R color. And I have this color in the style May. So I'm wearing May and I'm going to show you the color Iced Mocha R. This color is so beautiful. So before I do too much, I just want to read what I found online for a description. So this is a medium golden brown base with gold blonde highlights on top and dark roots. So let's take a look at that color. I'm going to pull a light over here so you can really see. And I'm going to take lots of pictures and I'll put them on the end so that you can really see this color. But look at the beautiful dynamic nature. The golden brown, the blonde, the root, which in my opinion is perfectly done. Perfectly done. Let me turn around for you so you can see it all throughout, because the highlights, sometimes you'll get highlighted wigs and the highlights will be really focused in the front. I pulled all of the hair forward, that's why it's looking kind of funny. But in this one, you get the highlights all the way through. Just gorgeous. It's definitely dynamic. There's definitely visible highlights. So if you're looking for a more blended color, this one isn't very blended, but I love the way that they did it. And I think the tones are perfectly complementary. The brunette is golden. It's not too dark next to the kind of the blondish highlights. So it doesn't look stark and extreme. They do look like they're complementary, kind of lighter and darker versions of a similar color, really. And then the root is just perfect. It's a shadow root. It's not a long root. It doesn't, draw attention to itself so that it looks like kind of bad overgrowth. Sometimes you'll get long roots, which can look like you just went too long between colorings. This one is really just perfect. It's a good shadow. I just think they did an awesome job on this color all around. I do find this color to be pretty golden, pretty warm. So the name of it might be a little misleading. Iced Mocha, you might think this is a cool color. I do think some of the blonde highlights are a bit cool and neutral, but when I look at it, and I'll take it off for you guys so that I can kind of look at it as I'm talking about it, it's definitely got some nice warmth to it. It's sort of neutral warm. I mean, it's not red. I would definitely say that the colors are medium brown. Sort of a medium neutral brown. It's not a super warm brown. It's not super ashy, it's pretty neutral. And then these gold blonde flecks all throughout on that shadow of a root. Really just a shadow. And it's not super dark. It's a really good complement. I don't have any codes for you because they don't provide codes. I didn't find any. But hopefully that was helpful. Let me make sure there aren't codes on the tag. Sometimes that can happen, but nope, I don't see any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get outside and I'm going to show you this color outside. But if you're a brunette who kind of likes your medium brunette, you don't really want blonde, you don't mind blonde highlights, but you want it firmly in the medium brown category, I would say this is it. If I had to guess what color brown, I would say it's maybe a 10, an 8 or a 10. It's probably a blend of an 8 and a 10. The root's probably an 8 or a 6. It's not super dark. So I definitely think this is solidly in the brunette category. If you're curious about May, I do have a review of May already in the color Auburn Sugar, so you can find that review to get more details on May, as this one is really about the color, not the style. But May is a super cute style, super popular. I had tons of comments on that video that May is a lot of people's favorite go-to wig for years. So, all right, I'm gonna get outside so you can see it outside. Hang tight. All right, everyone, here we are outside. So this is Iced Mocha R outside in super bright diffused light. It's super cloudy, but it's really bright out here because there's a lot of snow. So you got really bright outside light. So you can see in the super bright outside light, that root is not bad. Not heavy, not super dark. I'd say this color probably looks a lot lighter outside because of the gold, and it's gonna really reflect that light, the kind of the gold and the blonde. So beautiful. I really love this color. I tend to like dynamic highlighted brunettes. I guess I just feel as though because I can't I don't have bio hair, why not just have fun with wigs? So I'm really gravitating towards the more fun highlighted colors versus the more blended neutral colors. That's my preference. Just sharing that with you guys, but obviously everybody is different. So if you're not looking for a lot of highlights, you're gonna get a lot of highlights in this one. All right, hopefully that was helpful with the inside and the outside, taking a lot of time on the color. If you're on the fence, I hope you saw what you needed. Between this and all the other videos I'm sure that you're watching. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.